Hi, my name is Jorge Francisco Paz Dominguez. I am a student at UNAC and I'm going to talk about process to welding a piece with a welding machine. Okay? Well, what is welding? Welding is a fabrication process where every two or more parts are fused together by means of heat, pressure, or both forming a joint as the part cools. Welding is usually used on metals and thermoplastic, but can also be used on wood. Well, we have different type of welding processes like TIG, flux core, stick, MIG, laser, electron beam, plasma arc, and I'm going to show you common joint configurations. Well, we have different, but I'm going to talk about the first one. The first one is a connection between the ends of edges of two parts making an angle to one another of 135 grades to 180 grades including the region of the joint. Now we have more classics like T-joint. Is a connection between the end of edges of one part and the face of the another part. The parts making an angle to one another of more that find up to and including 90 grades in the region of the joint. Okay? Well, the question is the most important question here. How does welding works? Well, we have three different types of joints like metal, plastic, and wood. Joint metals as opposite to brazing and soldering, which don't melt the base metal. Welding is a high heat process which melt the base material, typically with the addition of a filter material. Heat and high temperature causes a whirlpool of molten material which cools to form the joint, okay? Which can be stronger than the parent metal. Pressure can also be used to produce a weld, either alongside the head or by itself. Okay, it can also use a shielding gas to protect the melted and the filtered metals from becoming contaminated or oxidized. Okay. We have the another ones. The second is with plastics. Plastic welding also uses heat to join the materials, although not in the case of solvent welding, and is the archivate in three states. Firstly, the surfaces are prepared before heat and pressure is applied, and finally, the materials are allowed to cool to create fusion. Joint methods for plastic can be separated into external or internal heating methods, depending on the exact process we use. Now we can watching the different the welding and two faces are connected by the weld. Okay, and the next one is the same weld, but we had the two faces in an angle or the an angle of 180 grades. Okay, and it is everything that I can explain you. I hope you understand this, and thank you for watching. Bye.